What up? This your boy Jefton. Look, they gave me the wrong glasses. This eye does not even have a prescription in it. And if there is a prescription in it, I cannot tell. The next eye looks good, but I'm not even quite sure these are the glasses I ordered. It's from Warby Parker. Has anyone heard of them? This entire side right here does not have a prescription in it. Really? I waited weeks to get these. I spent some good money. And to be honest, I don't even know if these are the... Okay, so the right eye is good. But this left eye, it has no prescription in it. It's the weirdest thing. It's tripping me out. But I don't even know if these are the glasses I ordered. They don't even look like, are they? Do they look good, Cassidy? They look good on me? You sure they look good? I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all think these glasses look good on me? Let me show you my old ones. What y'all think? It's a totally different frame, but I'm gonna have to take these back anyway because they didn't put the prescription in this eye. That's crazy. But tell me what y'all think. Which glasses do you like better? Do you like the new frames? Or do you like my old frames, which I can actually see out of both eyes, except the prescription is outdated? These are my old glasses. I've had these for about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. So, tell me what y'all think. Bowdy. I like these too because they're more open and rounded, and I can see like more as far as like out of my peripheral, and just like, I could see just a whole lot more. I know I'm moving my eyes all crazy like. But Warby Parker, you need to get on your game, Playboys. Y'all sent me this in the mail, but I don't know. Y'all tripping. Y'all are super tripping. Warby Parker. Y'all tripping, man. Y'all give me my glasses. All right. I'm up out of here. I'll holler at y'all. My eyes are freaking me out. I can't see anything out of here, but this is clear. This is tripping me out. All right. I'll see y'all.